Hello, Mr. Hamza. Thank you for coming in today.
Thanks, Tricia. Is this the surprise promotion meeting?
I want to start by acknowledging that these types of conversations are never easy, and I genuinely appreciate your hard work.
Oh, I know. I've been given 110, maybe even 115.
Unfortunately, after careful consideration, we've decided to terminate your employment.
Ended? You mean you are finally breaking up?
I want to be transparent here. The decision doesn't reflect your character, but professional reasons.
Tricia, how could you? I thought what we had was special.
I understand this challenging time, and we have resources to help you transition. We've outlined the next steps in a termination package.
No worries. I think I can be a stand-up comedian.
Follow, like, and subscribe.